Top 5 Cybersecurity Tools for Small Businesses. Are you a small business owner worried about cyber threats? You're not alone. Cyber attacks are on the rise, and small businesses are often the easiest targets. Let's explore the top 5 cybersecurity tools that can protect your business from devastating attacks. Meet Sarah, owner of a thriving local bakery. One morning, she discovered her customer database had been compromised. Panic set in as she realized the potential damage to her reputation and finances. This incident became her wake-up call to prioritize cybersecurity. Sarah's story highlights the importance of proactive cybersecurity measures. Don't wait until you're a victim. Let's dive into the tools that can help you protect your business. Antivirus software serves as your primary defense against malware, viruses, and other harmful software. It actively scans your system for threats and eliminates them before they can cause any damage. Think of it as a vigilant bouncer guarding the entrance to your digital world. Choose a reputable antivirus solution with real-time scanning and automatic updates. This ensures your business is always protected against the latest threats. Popular options include Norton, McAfee, and Bitdefender. A firewall acts as a barrier between your network and the outside world. It monitors incoming and outgoing network traffic, blocking unauthorized access. It's like a digital wall protecting your business from intruders. Configure your firewall to allow only necessary traffic and block everything else. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access to your systems. Most operating systems come with built-in firewalls, but dedicated hardware firewalls offer enhanced protection. Weak passwords are a major security vulnerability. A password manager helps you create strong, unique passwords for all your accounts and stores them securely. No more sticky notes with passwords. Using a password manager reduces the risk of password-related breaches. Popular options include LastPass, 1Password, and Dashlane. Encourage your employees to use a password manager as well. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. It requires users to provide multiple forms of identification, such as a password and a code sent to their phone. This makes it much harder for hackers to gain access, even if they have your password. Implement MFA on all critical accounts, including email, banking, and cloud storage. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Most online services offer MFA as an option. Your employees are your first line of defense against social engineering attacks, such as phishing. Security awareness training educates your team about common cyber threats and how to avoid them. Knowledge is power. Regular training sessions can help your employees identify and avoid phishing emails, malware, and other security risks. Consider using online training platforms or hiring a cybersecurity expert to conduct workshops. After implementing these cybersecurity tools, Sarah felt much more confident about the security of her business. She trained her employees, installed robust antivirus software, and implemented MFA on all critical accounts. Her bakery is now much better protected against cyber threats. Sarah's story shows that even small businesses can implement effective cybersecurity measures. It's an investment in the future of your business. Don't wait until you're a victim of a cyber attack. Take action now to protect your business. Download our free cybersecurity checklist to get started. Schedule a consultation with our cybersecurity experts to assess your current security posture and develop a customized plan. Visit our website today to learn more and secure your business.